Did you know the Precious Coin Tester app can supercharge your online sales? Let's meet cpadera, an eBay seller. He sold a 1803 Draped Bust Dollar for more than $1,400 in just 5 hours. How did he do it? How did he convince buyers so quickly that his coin was the real deal? He found the answer with the Precious Coin Tester app. This easy-to-use tool verifies the precious metal content of coins with just a few taps, helping to filter out fakes in seconds. Following simple instructions, he performed a quick ping test. The app instantly analyzed the sound and confirmed the coin's metal content with a 2-star result. With proof in hand, he upgraded his listing. He made sure every detail was perfect. Let's check it out. He added a video of the ping test. It shows exactly how it's performed step by step. Potential buyers could see the process and the test results for themselves. Some sharp, high-resolution photos highlighted the coin's details. He also included all the important information, like weight and size. Buyers could trust the listing instantly. They felt reassured, confident, and ready to make a purchase. That extra confidence worked like magic. The coin sold in just 5 hours. In his own words,
"I believe having the ping test video helped show to buyers, along with weight and diameter images, it was authentic. This app is a game changer for proving coins are real. I highly recommend it to anyone buying or selling coins."
ready to make your coin sales faster and easier? Try the Precious Coin Tester app today.